addict.
Don't die.
Oh.
Thanks.
That's going in the video. So we're here in the attic. And we were here originally, but I didn't really get a chance to film it much because I just kind of wanted to enjoy the first experience. But now today I'm just making a video for Jenna to go ahead and show everything. So I'm going to use this opportunity to vlog it a lot better. Wait. So there's a secret mirror right here. Close it real quick. Don't get scared. So it's a mirror, but it's also a door. And it opens up. It leads to this attic, which this isn't as scary during the day. There's a lot of Halloween decorations here, which definitely doesn't help for this vibe. It's that little squish angle of a place is, what is this, like the lighthouse viewing thing?
I forgot what you called it.
Somebody called it lighthouse. I don't know if that's officially what it's called. What is it? Something with a C. Cupola. It's really pretty up here in the day. It's not as scary as in the nighttime. True. That's about it for the attic. Attic.
That one's you.
What? Thanks, man. Why would you jinx it like that?
It's not liable for anything.
Oh! Oh, okay. Now I know why you said don't fall. Going out to the lake. We're gonna walk on it because it's frozen.
It's deep water.
And now it's my turn to try to get there. Is it slippery?
Yes. Good job.
So usually where we are is about, I would say 8 feet deep. It's not that deep here. It's pretty shallow until you get out there.
So there's no like beach area with like sand and stuff right here? Or?
Over there's a beach, but this is all like cliff.
What?
Yeah.
So apparently this is all a lake that is just completely frozen over during the winter. And we're just standing on it because it's all ice currently.
A building with long rectangle windows. That's one of their many libraries.
I tell the whole story about this willow tree.
Okay, so this little tree and the one by the boat lifts.
The one that's up right there?
Yes.
Okay. And then this one on the ground,
Right.
taking a nap.
Right. These the seeds that came, the seeds came from Napoleon's grave in Europe, and the first owner of the house placed them here. And there used to be way more trees, but these are the last two. I'm sure this one's gonna be taken out soon.
It's crazy.
Yeah. So it's been here since the house was built, so 1854. Probably later.
Nuclear Brewing Co. The Adidas kicks in the snow. True. There's just a brick wall here. Yeah. Why don't they have one for Chicago? I'm salty.
Maybe those are like their they like transport it there.
Ah.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Go inside. This is a perfect height for you and Dan. Wait, Dan, walk in. Oh, wait, let me zoom in. Wait, I want to meet you. How'd you do this?
Parts of the Caribbean. They got married, and then they fell off into the ocean.
You know what reminds me of a lot? That place we went to in New York. That castle place.
Yeah.
Just a lot less crowded.
The Central Park.
Like, no people.
And colder.
And colder. What? Wait, go down. I'll pop up.
There's no thing on them.
Come on, Frozo. So Dan and Alex went straight to the tasting room without even checking out all... That is so cool.
It's a glockenspiel! Oh my god!
You should buy one for your family.
$40.
Guys, it's a coaster, but also a bottle opener.
Oh. And after a really, really long day, day 2, this is day 2, right? Yeah, right?
We got
No?
here Friday. This is day 3.
No, this is day 2. This is night 3. Day 2, night 3. Because we got here Friday night. So Saturday, all day Saturday, Saturday night.
Yes, whatever. We got here Friday, so it's
What?
Sunday.
Going back to Chicago tomorrow. Enjoying Sunday night. Bye. The fog is so thick out here. You can barely see 2 cars in front of you.